Hello everyone, myself Amit Kumar, working assistant professor in civil engineering department in RPIT Technical and Medical Campus Karnataka. Today my topic is different soil deposit in India. There are different type of soils in India. There are alluvial soil, black soil, red soil, and laterite and lateric soil, forest and mountain soil, arid and desert soil, saline and alkaline soil, peaty and marshy soil. So there are different types of soil deposit in India. Discuss about this type of soil. So first of all, discuss about alluvial soil. These are the soil are formed due to silt deposit by endogenetic Brahmaputra rivers. In coastal region, some alluvial deposit are formed due to wave action. Rocks of the Himalayas from the parent material. Thus, the parent material of these soil are transported of the transported origin. What are the covering area in India? It's about 15 lakh square meter or 46% of the total area of the Indian area. And these support more than 40% of the India population by providing the most productive agriculture land. What are the characteristics of this soil? These are immature and weak profiles due to their recent origin. And most of the soil is sandy and clay soil are uncommon. Pebble and gravel soil are rare. Conker beds are present in some region along the river terrace. And this soil is porous because of loamy equal to the formation of sand and clay nature. Porosity and texture provide the good drainage and other condition favorable for the agriculture. These soils are constantly replaced by the recurrent flood. So these are the characteristics of alluvial soil. Chemical properties of soil alluvial. These are in this nitrogen is very low and the proportion of potash, phosphoric acid and alkalis are adequate. And the percentage of iron oxide and lime vary within wide range. Distribution of alluvial soil in India. These are occur along the endogenetic Brahmaputra except in few places where top layer is covered by desert sand. And in delta of Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, there are called dialectic alluvial. Some alluvial soil are found in Narmada, Tapti valleys and northern part of the Gujarat. Next is Babar. This Babar belt is about 18 to 16 km wide along the Shivalik foothills. It is porous and northernmost stretch of the endogenetic plains. A river descending from the Himalaya deposit load along their foothills in the form of the alluvial form. The porosity of this type of soil is unique feature. The porosity deposition of high number of pebbles, rock debris across the alluvial forms. And this type of soil reach the Babar region because of the porosity. And area is marked by dry river and except in rainy season. So this is area not suitable for agriculture and big trees with a large food there in that. Next is terai soil. This type of soil is 15 to 30 km south of Babar running parallel to it. The underground stream of Babar belt emerge in this. In this type of total soils are rich in nitrogen, organic matter are deficient in phosphate. This type of soil are generally covered by tall grass and forest and but are the not but for suitable for crops such as wheat, rice and sugarcane.